How to earn money with Shein. Now, what is Shein? Shein is an online fast fashion retailer that specializes in clothing and accessories for women, men, and children. Customers can browse and purchase Shein products through its website or mobile app. What's more important, we're going to talk about how to make money from their affiliate program. So I'm at the website right here, and if I scroll down, as you can see, it's partner affiliate platforms. So what you need to do is sign up for any one of these, and then you can find Shein. So let's just choose one. I'm gonna choose the first one. Now here you need to enter your website. Of course, I think the majority of people don't actually have their own website. So here you're gonna type in your data. So let's just you're gonna type in your program description. So what they want is quality affiliate marketers. So here you just want to type in what are your plans to promote their affiliate links, their clothes and stuff like that. So here I'm gonna type in I'm going to do try-ons. Now, when I'm finished with this application, I'm gonna show you how other people make money using this exact same technique. And then I'm gonna show you some bonus techniques that almost guarantee money. So let's type in, I'm going to do try-ons on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So here, as you can see, to receive payments, you need to have at least $50. So let's complete this sign up and check choose later. And that's how you sign up. Now they're gonna send me an email in the next 5 to 7 business days telling me if I have been accepted or not. Of course, you don't have to choose a share a sale. For this example, I chose share a sale, but you don't have to do that. You can choose any one of these. And now I'm gonna show you how other people make money using this exact same technique. Now, we can go on YouTube, for example, and let's click search, and here we can find Shein. So let's just type in Shein and let's see what happens. And the only thing we need to do is just type in Shein, and every single video we get is just affiliate marketing. So let's check this video. So here, this video got 78,000 likes. Let's go on the channel. As you can see, it only has 19,000 subscribers. So now let's type in Shein try-ons. So we can actually go to the filters and let's do this week. And just in the last week, as you can see, people have made a lot of views with just buying a lot of Shein clothing and trying them on in front of a camera. Now, I know all you see is women here. Now, you can do this if you're a man as well. And if anything, it should be a bit easier to do it if you're a man, because it shouldn't be as competitive to make that video. So if you're a woman, it would be very competitive. As you can see, you're gonna compete with a lot of women. If you're a man, you're gonna compete with a lot less men. So the competition is low. Now, this, of course, with the views, we can see. Now, if we go to the Shein website and we click on clothing, so here, let's just choose something random like this. Now, the other thing that you can do is when you buy these products, let's say you bought 2 or 3 products, you can copy these titles. You can copy the titles of those products, and you can put them in the tags of your YouTube uploading area. And then when people copy and paste this exact same thing to see a try-on of this exact item, so you can see when we type this in, the competition is not as high. So when people paste this title into YouTube to see the try-on, they're most likely gonna come across your video and they're gonna click on your video. So this is just one of those ways to be an effective affiliate marketer If you want to go down this route, I recommend, if you want to start a YouTube channel or TikTok, I recommend you just pick a niche that you're going to be making videos on and content on. So if it's women's clothing, as you can see here, and it's fall, you can make videos as like top 5 best Shein sweaters or something like that. Same goes for TikTok and Instagram and what else. So the other way that you can make money off of this is by promoting their links. So once we get accepted into Share Sale, we're gonna be given links that we're gonna promote. So for example, in this video, if you go to the description, we can see they have a discount code. Now, this is how it works usually. So for example, you can do either a link or a discount code. Depends on what affiliate program you use. So if they use your discount code, if they see your video, they see, oh wow, I want to buy this. They look at your discount code and they use it, you're gonna get a commission of the amount of people that bought it. And you don't have to be popular to do this. You just have to make a simple video. And the third way you can make money off of Shein's affiliate program is by sending out emails. So for example, you can tell the people that view your videos, hey, here's a form. If you complete this form, I'm gonna give you a free style guide. This is very simple to do. You can just use Google Forms and paste the link to the Google form in the comments and pin the comment so everyone sees it. And that's how to make money using the Shein affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.